Give it up for Miss Marge Avizo!
All influencers, founders, community leaders in one room. Nakakasama ko lang kayo sa speaking events. Grabe! And hopefully, hindi to ang first and last ha. We're going to do this quarterly ng founders, sharing ideas and really collaborating and having, pictures in one room. So, yeah, thank you and welcome. Salamat, salamat. Please,